Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes.
Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for taking the time to come back to my channel. In this video, it is going to be a try on and, well, not try on, demo, because I've been wearing this, and a review of McGrath's LiquiLust Legendary Wear Matte Lipstick in the infamous Elson 4. So if you want to know more, keep watching. But before we get into it, thank you so much for clicking on the video. I truly appreciate you coming to the channel and clicking on this video. I know you didn't have to. Thank you so much. It means a lot. We are on the road to 5,000 subscribers. I need you to be a part of the crew. So please, please, please hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of the makeup, skincare, beauty, hair care videos that I make. And if you want to be first to know when I go live or post a video, press the notification bell. And if you like the video, like the video. Alright, so we have our handy dandy makeup mirror. I'm going to put this on and then I'm going to tell you why I absolutely love it. So one thing about this is a bold, bright red lipstick, and you have to be careful and strategic when you apply it. It will migrate around, so you know you might want to hit the lip liner, but I usually don't. But just something to be careful of. What I do keep around is this and cotton round, so that way I could clean up the perimeter and make sure it looks good. But we are going to go in with the doe foot. As you can see, a lot of product comes out when you first poke it off, and you see how red that is? Oh my god. Around there. Do a little blotting. Right there. Right here. And here. There we go. There you go. Do you see how gorgeous that is? It is like red. And the thing that I love about it is it's ruby woo red, but it feels lightweight. It's not tight. It's not on your lips. If you have dry lips, you can wear this for hours and hours and you won't have any problems. Gorgeous formulation, extremely lightweight. It just works with the lip lines in your lips. Like, even though your lips are not perfectly smooth, it gives the illusion that they are. And it is a beautiful blue base, make your teeth look white kind of lipstick, and I absolutely love it. You can talk, you can yap, it doesn't get problematic on the inside, and it looks gorgeous on almost all skin tones. Like, I've never seen anybody wearing it who looks crazy, or it's like, oh, look at that red, but it's like it somehow works with every kind of skin tone. Even though now, of course, I'm like, oh, it's the only thing with red, and if you have hyperpigmentation, it does sometimes cause more attention to it. But honestly, I love the red so much, I'm just like, I don't care about the hyperpigmentation. Look at the lips. But no, absolutely love this. Allegedly Taylor Swift's favorite red lip, which is why it's always sold out online. I've been on the hunt for this for months. I've only been able to purchase it in person in Sephora's by hunting store to store. Like, it was somebody who I personally was trying to track down. Like, you cannot, it's sold out on Sephora's website, it's sold out on Pat McGrath's website, and I do know because it is rumored that is her favorite lip, that it makes it more popular. Also, it's just a really gorgeous red. Uncensored Stunner Paint is really pretty too, but it's not as wearable for the dry lip girlies. So it does eventually start to get a little peely, get a little cracky at an earlier point than this does. So I would say like Stunner Lip Paint probably lasts for like 4 to 6 hours, and this is gonna last for like 6 to 8 hours. Through both of them, through eating, drinking, living life. But because this one does have a little bit of a longer lasting time, that's why it edges it out for me. But it also has a higher price point. So this is $34 for one little lipstick. But do you see how red it is? It almost looks like someone superimposed and photoshopped true red on my lips. Like, it looks so vivid, so lifelike. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. I really love it. Like, if you are looking for a easy to wear, comfortable red lip that stays in place, does not budge, that is this. Now, Pat McGrath, she's known for a lot of amazing makeup products. Her foundation, the concealer, the eyeshadow palettes, eyeliners, the highlighters, the blushes. Like, she's known for makeup things, but I feel like for her lips, a little bit for the lip gloss, but she's underrated for some of her lip products. And I do think it might be the price point, because there are other high-end brands that have lip stuff that's like $20-something. Hers being 30-something. Sometimes it's like, oh, and it pushes it over. But this is absolutely worth it. I absolutely love it. I would say if you just want one red to be your one classic perfect red no matter what, this is, I love, 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 love this. Especially the wear. It doesn't go anywhere. I have two-tone lips and it is opaque. Like, you don't have to put concealer and powder, and I don't need liner or anything. Like I said, it just perfectly works. I absolutely love it. So again, this is the infamous Elson 4 Pat McGrath LiquiLust Legendary Wear Matte Lipstick. So I really, really love this. So if you are a lipstick lover and you want to treat yourself, get this. I promise you will not be disappointed. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please also, if you have any questions, or if you have a different favorite red lipstick, or a different favorite brand of high-end lipsticks, or if it's another shade in this one, because I feel like now I need to get more of them, let me know in the comment section below. All right, thank you so much for taking time to watch this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire